equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools: a screwdriver, cleaning cloth, and a multimeter. First, disconnect the power supply to the motor. This is crucial for safety. Next, remove the screws holding the motor cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe spot for reassembly. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components visually. Look for any signs of wear or damage. Pay special attention to the brushes. If they appear worn down, it's time for a replacement. Clean any dust or debris inside the motor using a cloth. This helps maintain optimal performance. After cleaning, check the brush springs for tension. If they're loose, they may need adjustment. Now, replace the old brushes with new ones, ensuring they fit snugly. Reassemble the motor by reversing the disassembly steps. Remember to secure all screws tightly. For those who prefer professional help, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. This way, you can ensure your motor is in top shape without any hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.